I'm trying is used to say that you are making an effort to do something. I'm trying is also used to say that you are making an effort to get something. Examples: I'm trying to get in touch with my high school friends. I'm trying to finish this whole chapter in 2 hours. I'm trying to concentrate on reading my book. I'm trying to repair her car for free. I'm trying to catch Maria's attention, but it's not working. I'm trying to wake up early every morning, but I just can't. I'm trying to save up for our dream house. I'm trying to solve the company's problem. I'm trying to make her students understand. I'm trying to persuade the people to believe them.